Hello, in this Python video we are going to look at adding the Listbox widget. So this is essentially just a list of items, nothing more to it than that. It's really simple. So all we need to do is create a listbox, which I will name lbox. This equals listbox. You specify the window you're drawing to. Now lbox.insert, you just insert the item. So the index that you want to insert here. So I'm just doing linear order 1 to however many I do, and then you put what you want the list item to say. So let me say item 1 again. I'm just keeping it simple, and I'll do 5 list items. And now this will be 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And finally, we just need to do lbox.pack. Now run it. And that's it. We have our list items. Honestly, there's nothing more to it than that. As with all of the GUI videos, there will be a link so you can see, a multitude of functions that you can use to manipulate the different widgets, because you'll have different methods for. You obviously got the insertion method here. There's an index method. There's a method for accessing values, for doing this, for doing that, and that's the same with all of the widgets. So obviously, each tutorial we just show you the basics of it, and you can use the links to help you further. But if you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out and I will assist you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next programming tutorial.